Hey guys, welcome to Login. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Microsoft Live account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Live account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in the address live.com like this and turn enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of the Microsoft Outlook Live, where in order to log into your live account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the sign in button. Simply click on that sign in like this, and over here you'll be required to enter your live account's email address like your outlook.com or your live.com or your Skype ID or your phone number. That being said guys, you can also log into your live account with the security key, but if you have not yet created an account on live until now, you can simply click on the create one button available over here to go through a procedure to register an account on Microsoft Live. That being said guys, after entering your email address like this, simply click on next. My computer had auto filled it for me, and after that you'll be required to enter your password over here. But if you have forgotten your password also, you'll be able to retrieve or reset your Outlook Live account's password from over here, which is the forgot password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to retrieve or reset your account's password. With that being said guys, after entering your email address and your password over here, simply click on sign in, and then you'll be logged into your live account on your computer like this, and it's very loud. And there guys, we have successfully signed into our live account on our computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.